Sweet me now. Tell me about talk. You know what is sweet me this morning? Leave her. In the dream. Kulu. You know, as I waiting, they sweet me this morning. I can't read from Punch newspaper this morning. Say, we not allow anybody enter. We not allow. Say today successfully all over Nigeria, youth to take our people for Lekki. Then they report again, say this morning, say our people for Lekki don't ensure, say government lose 1 billion naira. I beg, these are youth movements. The same thing when they give government, I say, leader, nobody will feel coming. Now, we can't get some of our people for Lekki. See, we dey talk something for you. Say, now here we go, man. Hello, my brother. She come from Lekki. She won't come give us some of the things that don't happen for Lekki. Maybe we tell her, okay. Now we are working protest. Now we go marry. It's okay. We can't try. Sorry, the more I move forward, the more the Bluetooth is disconnecting. So I have to start here. My people, the government, by your appearance, by your hair, by your skin color, they have painted it in the news that we are hoodlums and bandits. Are you bandits? Are you hoodlums? We don't go school. Your parents don't support you. Even if you don't go school, you don't go school when the economy no good. Please, it is very important that every single one of us knows the Constitution and your rights. Whoever is sharing these flags, I beg you, among some of us here, let us all be patriotic. We all have to ensure that our brothers and sisters are holding this flag. When you hold this flag, the Nigerian army cannot shoot against you. It is against your 99 Constitution. So, please, we are holding the flag on the island. But I bet you, there are plans to unite every voice in Nigeria as one. We come together as one. What do we want? They must end police brutality. They must end swag. Give us good health. We want better infrastructure. And we want to at the table. Listen, we are here to clear this state out. We gave them a 5 agenda. They are yet to show us any form of seriousness. We are not out here because, yes, are you jobless? You don't get work. And outside with the vex, with the power. Listen. A government, Abraham Lincoln, when they marched, he said, as they have fallen, this is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. 39 and 40, 1999 Constitution. Everybody, place your hand on your chest and repeat after me. When I say I, shout your own individual name. As a citizen of Nigeria, I have a right to freedom of expression. To hold opinion. Freely demonstrate. Receive information. To give out information. Without interference. The Nigerian Code of Conduct. For the police force. States that the police remain neutral. Demonstrate. So today, do not die. We do not die. Solidarity. 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 My brother, fear not as you pray. In Jesus' name. In the mighty name of Jesus. Father Lord, we have been holding this front. But we will continue to hold this front. We have no leader. This is one nation. I know what he says, Daddy. I know what he says from me. You know what he says to you. You know what he says to you. You know we all have a reason to be outside. And it is high time that the government understands that the people will no longer be oppressed and suppressed. So please, my people, listen, don't compromise yourself. Anybody offers you money for anything, don't compromise yourself. Don't sell your birthright. You know what of the nonsense. They must listen to Nigeria. Please, fire the prayer. Let us pray so that our fathers and mothers' prayers will protect us. In Jesus' name. In the mighty name of Jesus. Father Lord, your children have gathered. We are all here. You said once one or two of your children are gathered, that your spirit, that your glory, that your guidance, your wisdom and protection shall be with them. For they are created in the same image and likeness as you. Father, we only ask you for one thing. We don't want violence. We don't want it to get to violence. Touch the heart of the government. Let the government hear us. Let them pity us. Father Lord, but if they don't, we are looking to the sky. For the works of the Lord shall be done. Restoration shall happen.
I remember say yesterday we talk say we want match go airport. And I still remember. Some of our people, they don't go airports. And it be like say the soldiers plenty pass them for airports. Fight, you won't go fight. Kulu kulu. You can come with your flag. Make una no go. No be fight, you won't go fight. We won't go straight and say now we get country. Now we get country. So we go watch for my DJ. when he put instruments inside car, so that he go our DJ go dey front, and I will follow with our mask. So yeah, with our flag, give our people kulu. Let us give the DJ 20 minutes. Let the DJ 20 minutes.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
How are you today?
Fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
You're fine, like fine.
I'm not fine.
Exactly. That's what I want to hear.
All is not well with Nigeria.
Really? How is all not well with Nigeria?
Okay. Apart from end SARS
Okay.
or end police brutality, we have to end high cost of governance this time around.
Okay.
Look at, for instance, now, the youth are really suffering. They'll go to school after they finish from university, tertiary institution. They come out from school, no job. A good government must provide good job for the people. Yeah, and most of them are earning more than 10 million, 30 million per month. Yeah, you see the way their own children are behaving on the street. Look at the children of the masses. You see people hawking. There was even a time the government of this state was trying to ban hawking on the street. Who will feed them? You understand? So we are not only ending SARS protests or police brutality. We want to end bad government in Nigeria and high cost. Excuse me, I'm coming. Even the president himself must not earn more than 300,000 naira per month. Because I'm coming because he doesn't want the money he's collecting. He was addressing a whole nation, Nigeria. He was reading from paper. You understand? The senators are earning big and fast salaries, whereas the poor people on the street, they are suffering. So a senator must not earn more than 150,000 naira per month. You understand? Thank you. Some of them, they will collect newspapers allowance, and for what? They have phones. Some of them, before they came to that government house, they had more than 3-4 cars, and they are still collecting SUVs allowance. So we want to end that in Nigeria, not only police brutality.
That's true. Actually,
all right, like we've heard from him, he said that this is not just ending police brutality. This is cutting the senators' cost of living, their paper allowance, their living allowance. He's saying the senator has to get 150,000 in Nigeria. So like you, okay, that he wants it. Okay, like he rightly said, all right. So that's all right. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. You need to chew. I need to ask you a question. Oh yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. My name is Shegun Eko for show. Yeah. And now I want the public, the general public, Nigerians in diaspora, Nigerians here, everybody around the world to know we are not here because we want to make noise. We are not here to fight for police. Get it? If police are angry or if police salary is low, let them fight for their rights. Why we are here is because our leaders are not supporting us for lights, water, road, and the parts that has good road. The rates are outrageous. Even we, when they manage get lights, our bill na yawa. Now we've passed that level of NSAS. We have passed that level of police brutality. Now we are here for good governance. And let me now tell you people, our mumudo, boo boo, it is high time you hear our voice. Whether you hear us o, whether you no hear us o, now we know wetin we go do. Now we know wetin we go. No be only boo boo we are here for o. We have our ministers, commissioners, house of assemblies, house of rep, all of una. We are coming for you bit by bit. So whether una answer so, una no answer so, you sack DPO or you sack PRO, whether you even attack IG papa. It no concern us. Wait. Hold it. They say Nigeria at 60, but Nigeria is waking up at 60. Nigeria is waking up at 60. Yeah. C'est fini.